Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. If you guys want to see my 3 favorite body products at the moment, because spring and summer are right around the corner, then keep on watching. Your girl is excited. I have my coffee and I have my ingredients. Coffee. I say coffee because it's just, I live 2 hours away from New York City and I just can't help it. It's just so fun. Anyway, I'm going to talk to you guys about my 3 favorite body products at the moment. And I'm just going to get right into it because I have a tendency to babble and my videos get way too long. So let's get it started. So first what I'm going to talk about, and this isn't just my favorite body product at the moment. This has been my favorite body product for literal years. And it is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration Skin Protectants. I absolutely love this stuff. First of all, I usually like to get it unscented because I don't really like, I guess I'm not true to my word, but scented body products for your legs, they're kind of hit or miss for me, but I had to get the honeysuckle scent this time because I'm obsessed with spring, all spring scents, and of course, like a good honeysuckle. I thought I saw a lilac scent that they had going on too that I need. That's good. Anyway, here is the texture of the product. It is very, I'm just gonna put this like this. I know it's kind of gross. I used my fingernail, but it is what it is at the moment. So this is what it looks like on the back of my hands. And it is like a thicker cream. I don't even know if I want to call it a cream. It's definitely more like a butter, and I put a lot on my finger. And it just makes your skin so like nice and hydrated. I'm gonna use it on my knee. How about that? You can't go wrong with putting lotion on your knees. So you guys, this has a lot of skin protectants in here, and it also has like barrier protection within the ingredients. What it does is it locks in all moisture into your skin and kind of just keeps it there without losing too much liquid and water from your body, from like your pores and sweating. And it also says it's used to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation, itching due to eczema, and other conditions. And when you guys, when I'm using this product, my legs, it actually helps with razor burn. An active ingredient in this is, I can't say it, colloidal oatmeal, 0.50%, and it's called a skin protectant. So after looking up like colloidal oatmeal, because of its claims being able to help eczema, it does say studies show that colloidal oatmeal can function as a cleanser, moisturizer, skin soother, and protective anti-inflammatory agent. Now, helping with eczema is kind of a big claim because I do suffer from skin, like dry skin patches on my elbows. Eczema is kind of hard to get rid of, but I feel like if you're not trying to buy something pharmaceutical and you're trying to buy something over the counter, it does have active colloidal oatmeal in it, so why don't you try it? I just don't, and obviously the skin soothing ingredients in this product can help with cuts and wounds. I just wouldn't put all your faith into it, but I think it's a good assister. Like I said, I love it on my legs. However, I do want to say that when I use this product on my chest or my arms, I do tend to break out a little bit. I'm very sensitive on my chest and I can't use a lot of products on my chest. So this is why I like rotate. Like I use like 3 to 4 different body products on me at a time because each part of my body is sensitive. So the next product I want to talk to you about, and it is a product that I've already talked about on my channel, it is the Honey Lotion by Victoria's Secret Pink right here. And you guys could see that I have been using this day in and day out. I'm a little concerned though because I could not find a list of ingredients on it, but I got it for $5. $5, you guys. So like, I'm very picky about what goes on my body. Like I said before, I use like 3 to 4 different products on my body at a time. However, this product does not break my chest out. How cool is that, you guys? Like, it doesn't. I use it on my legs. However, I find this to be better on my legs, but I do love using this on my upper body. I'm like 100% sure this has fragrance in it somewhere. It smells like shea butter and honey, but it has that very like warm vanilla, like wintry fall scent to it. So I think that's why I like using this all through the winter. But what I want to say is its main claims are honey and shea butter, and it's made by bees. No, you think Victoria's Secret? Cute though. I like the packaging. It's like cute, right? What I want to say about this, I love honey in my products. Honey is a natural antibacterial. That's why when you have a sore throat, they always say drink tea and honey. It's gonna help prevent bacteria from spreading in your throat. And it's also great for helping with bacteria in your skin causing acne. So and it's also very soothing, it's also very healing, it gives your skin a beautiful glow, and honey is just a fantastic product all over the board. What I want to say is, I'm gonna go off topic, honestly, I haven't done this in a while, and I probably should. There was a point when my skin was so inflamed. This was my pre-La Mer days when I was using cheaper skincare products from like the drugstore and everything. That's why I kind of have such like a chip on my shoulder when it comes to skincare, and I'm so pro La Mer and all that, because like I've been in a spot where I was buying cheap products and using it on my face, and my face was awful. I think that's why I'm so passionate for La Mer. But in my skin's darkest days, when it was super irritated, I bought some Manuka honey, not just regular honey, a $30 jar of Manuka honey that's supposed to be from, I think, New Zealand, bee pollen in New Zealand, some type of special plant that they use to make it. It's just more potent, it's more, it should be stronger in antibacterial properties. Anyway, I would just put this honey all over my face, like from like my neck up, and it would give my face such a beautiful glow, such a beautiful hydration, and such a beautiful just all around better complexion. My acne, like my breakouts and my acne would tone down a lot more. And I mean, honey is just a beautiful product to be used in skincare. So when I saw honey in this little baby for $5, I was like, I'm gonna try it. Then of course it has shea butter, and anybody knows shea butter is just so hydrating and soothing and healing. And I mean, they have a lot of the same claims, except I think honey is a stronger antibacterial and shea butter is definitely a stronger moisturizer. And I think the two together honestly probably makes a beautiful product. And that was just kind of my thought process when I bought this product. And I believe there is definitely honey in here, because I don't get breakouts that I do when I use this product. And I'm almost wondering if the honey in this product is a good antibacterial and strong enough to keep my body acne at bay. However, that is just a claim, that is not a fact. I am not a doctor, I am not a skincare expert, I am a skincare enthusiast who shares my thoughts with you guys. I'm not seeing honey in the First Aid Beauty at quick glance. I do see like green tea and stuff, and lemon peel and citrus and orange peel, which is great for an antioxidant, but maybe not so much as an antibacterial. So that's just a thought on these two products. Next product that honestly, it's new to the game for me, and I have just been loving it, loving it, loving it. It does have its own video. It is the Cheeky Physique Tummy Sleek Tummy Tightening Serum with Actigem, caffeine, bitter orange extract. Right here, it has its own video. I love this because I love the texture of this and the way it just sinks into your skin, and it is not uncomfortable after use. So every time I get out of the shower, I always just lather this all over my stomach. Also, if I could remember, in the mornings. The Actigem is good for tightening your skin, making things look firmer. The caffeine is great for energizing your skin, making it look awake. And then of course the bitter orange extract is used as an antioxidant to just flush out, I can't think of the word, but you know what I mean, when you're kind of, even when you first start a diet, you have to kind of flush out all the bad toxins from your body, because you could like lose like 3 to 5 pounds just from the extra bad toxins in your body. This kind of this kind of helps the skin get those bad toxins out for a sleeker look. And between putting this on my legs, this on my arms and chest, and then this on my stomach, and because I like this on my stomach so much, I will actually use it behind my legs, and helps with to help with cellulite and stuff. I love that too, and I definitely prefer this over the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. If you guys are sick of it, you're sick of its scent, and you're just sick of Sol de Janeiro period, stop over to Cheeky Physique, try this brand, switch it up a bit. It always helps when you switch up ingredients in your skin, keep things moving, keep things from getting too used to other ingredients, and just try out different things. Don't overdo it though, because of course you could, irritate your skin and get a bad reaction, but it is good to switch up ingredients in your skin. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all 3 textures on the back of my hand so you can see them. So one thing I do wanna note is I'm not happy at the way you scoop this product out of the jar. I just don't think it's that sanitary. I do love the idea that Victoria's Secret took with the pumper, and I just wish more body butter products came like this. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand now. See that? That's so nice. And that is the Victoria's Secret Pink Honey Shea Butter Moisturizer that I'm a big fan of. Next, I'll put this product on the back of my hands again, and I have to kind of dip in with my fingers. I usually use a scooper to dip in with this though, I do want to say. And then this, of course, is more like thick and emulsion. You could definitely tell this is more of a body butter versus the Victoria's Secret one. However, this has a beautiful, the Victoria's Secret one has a beautiful soft sheen. It is still like a body butter. It's just actually a little more luxe feeling, but this one definitely feels more hydrating on the skin for sure. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my Tummy Sleek for my stomach and the back of my thighs. I know Cheeky Physique also makes a product specifically for your, the back of your thighs for cellulite. They actually have cups, like cupping. I've never used it, but I see them promote it, and I think that's pretty cool. But like this, I love the pumper, and I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand. You really can't compare this texture to the other 2 products. They're used for very, very different reasons. But as you can see, this is definitely more of serum based. It just goes over your skin so well. I love it, and it sinks in so it's comfortable on your body. And you guys, that is it for my 3 favorite body products at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment and like this video. I love doing this with you guys, and I just want to say I appreciate all my subscribers. I love our relationship. I love that we talk in the comments all the time, and I truly, truly love you guys. And I just want to say personally, thank you for all of your support. It means so much to me, and I could never do this without you guys. So I love you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.